What is your time worth? Not today, not tomorrow. Let's say next year, 2 years, 3 years from now. What's that going to be worth? Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So we've had a lot of people ask us, is foundation repair worth it? Like to actually get the problem fixed? You're always going to hear me say yes, but I'll leave it up to you to figure out an answer for yourself. Is it worth your time every so often? Who knows how quickly your house is moving? To fix drywall cracks, to repaint drywall cracks, to have them stick out like sore thumbs because you cannot drywall worth a shit. And paint. So it's just the inside. So if you look at the outside as well, let's say your stucco cracks, or you have a leaning chimney and it keeps getting worse and you have to caulk it every so often because you see it opening back up. All this takes time, and you're not actually fixing the problem. You're masking it and pretending it's not there and that you figured out this end-all be-all cure without spending the money to get it fixed correctly. It's not ever the scenario, and if it was me, I'm always going to tell you to get it fixed. It's going to actually save you money in the long run because you're not spending the money and ultimately the time to do all these repairs. And when you get it fixed, you can do the repairs once and forget about it. You're not going to see the cracks open back up. You're not going to see the chimney continue to lead. You're not going to see any of this stuff continue to happen once it's done and fixed correctly. So keep that in mind, and hopefully that helps you make your decision on, is foundation repair worth it? So till next time, that's your foundation repair tip of the day.